I hope you're all doing well. I just charged my GoPro. I haven't used that in a while, so this vlog will be with my GoPro. And yeah, I just studied for 3 hours. And then I took a hot shower. It felt so good. And yeah, today I'm gonna teach my friend how to drive a car. This is gonna be fun. I don't know if I'm a good teacher. So in New Zealand you can, I hope I explained it right, but you can get like driving lessons with your friends or with someone who has their driver's license for a specific time. And I have my driver's license for 6 years now or longer. Oh my god, that's long. And so I can teach her how to drive a car. And I think it's just, I feel like I'm doing something that is illegal, because in Germany you're not allowed to drive when you don't have a driver's license. So my friend, she has no driver's license yet, and I'm gonna drive with her. So yeah, but it's not illegal here, so you can practice driving with someone who had a driver's license for a long time. So this is gonna be fun. I will take my camera with me, so let's see how that goes. And yeah, now I'm gonna make some lunch first because I'm starving. I feel like I use so much energy when I study. So I'm off now to the gym first because we're gonna open tomorrow again. I'm so looking forward to that. And yeah, I just have to drop off the weights I have from the gym to do my workouts at home. Just gonna show you my Corona car. So there's like gloves and masks. What if we So I'm gonna teach Maddie now, that's Maddie, how to drive. So in New Zealand you have like this sticker so everyone knows that you're a beginner. So that's good because then you don't get too stressed. And this car's so cute. So you go back to holiday to Singapore?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
That's what she did, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the same what I think I will do when I stay here in New Zealand, or I will try, I hope it all works again with the traveling. So I will go home for maybe a month or something just to recharge my family battery. You know?
Oh, that's so good.
Just to,
we all need that.
Yeah, but I think I will realize, I think I already know it, but it's good to check, but I think I will realize when I go home that it's nice to be home and that I love my family, but that I don't belong to Germany.
Yeah, I saw your video as well.
Yeah, because I feel like I always felt so lost. But that's good, like if you also say you want to go back and figure out like
perspective.
Yeah, just so you know. So we just switched, so now Maddie is driving. How do you feel?
Excited.
Okay. We just drove to this road here. And let's go.
So what does that mean?
Handbrake. Because I put the handbrake on.
Oh, so if
so
it's
when
down,
you go down.
What? Oh, okay.
So now it's gone. Yeah. Good. I'm so enthusiastic. Good.
Thank you. What's good in German?
Gut.
Oh, gut. Yeah, I panic a little when I see cars behind me.
That's alright, that's what I still do sometimes. I really want to go surfing here, but I never did. Slow down a little bit. Here's a...
Oh yeah.
Oh. Woo!
Because they didn't tell me to slow down.
Sorry.
No, not you. I mean the sign. Because
yeah.
I thought usually there would be like sign or something.
Yeah.
Okay, sometimes not.
I think there's another one there, so we can practice to slow down the next time.
Alright, we'll be
Okay, we're practicing parking now. Oh no, Maddie is practicing. That's actually good. Oh. I wanted to compliment you. But yeah, I'm excited over how do you say, like, how people will react when this is all over, or how it will be. If people still take distance, because that's what I will do or try to do.
Yeah, unless there's like a vaccines that they created or something.
Yeah. And I'm so excited about how the things will be at the gym. Like, yeah, how people will behave. Yeah, but you can just ask me, like, if you like, we can just do on the weekend again a car trip.
a trip to the beach, which is like 5 minutes.
But yeah, or you can, yeah, we can just drive for an hour again, so you can learn. If you like.
Yeah. Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, that's alright. It's fun.
Yeah.
So I just bought this travel sewing pack because my backpack is broken, and now I'm gonna sew my backpack. It's so cool, this travel pack. It has like everything in it. And we just finished our driving lessons. That was really fun. Actually, I just thought about what I did wrong, or what was my most common mistakes. And I think I always found it hard or difficult when you go to a roundabout and you have to, like when you have a manual car, to slow down and to go down on your gears. Is it gears? I'm not even sure how to call it. I am off now for my first training session in ages. Like, the gyms are open now again and I can't wait. I already wrote down my workout for today and I'm so excited, and I think I'm gonna be so sore. First workout done. Let's see how sore I am tomorrow. So good, but I already feel my legs. But yeah, I love the feeling of a good workout.